Jumping rope. Many of you may have experienced skipping rope as a child and consider it as one of the best games you played with your friends. Yet, did you realize that doing so has numerous benefits in your life? In this video, we will discuss 7 advantages with you. Knowing these will not only make you appreciate jumping rope, but it will also inspire you to do so. You have undoubtedly selected the correct video. But before anything else, please like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share your fondest jumping rope moments with us. Let's start by learning more about jumping rope. Jumping rope is a cardiovascular or aerobic workout that causes your heart to pump stronger. This childhood favorite also functions as plyometric training. Plyometrics are high-intensity, high-speed movements. Plyometric exercises encourage your muscles to exert as much force as possible in short bursts. Plyometric training is popular among athletes. To get started with plyometrics, beginners might try activities like jumping rope, and the multiple advantages making jumping rope a worthwhile addition to your fitness routine. So, what could be the benefits? Let's find out. Number 1. Jumping rope gives you full body exercise. When you jump rope, you may feel a burn in your calf muscles. But your calves and feet are not the only portions of your body at work. Jumping rope engages several muscular groups. Jumping rope engages your legs, hips, abdominals, arms, shoulders, hands, and wrists as you swing the rope around and jump. With all of these muscles engaged, jumping rope is an efficient total body exercise. Number 2. Jumping rope increases muscle strength and power. If lifting weights isn't your thing, jumping rope is an option for muscle strengthening. Jump training activities have been shown in studies to increase muscle power and endurance. These advances can allow you to exert more effort for longer periods of time. Weighted jump ropes may be even more beneficial for improving health, according to one study. After 12 weeks, the teen volleyball players in the study had improved lower body strength and coordination. Stronger lower body muscles can make functional actions like walking or climbing a flight of stairs easier. Number 3. Jumping rope enhances athletic performance. Consider jumping rope on a daily basis if you wish to improve your athletic performance. Beginner endurance runners in a small study practiced jumping rope before training. They enhanced their speed and jumping abilities after 10 weeks. The runners also reported decreased stiffness in their feet, which could lower the risk of injury. Number 4. Rope jumping strengthens bone density. If you have a family history of osteoporosis, you should consider jumping rope. It is a disorder in which bone density gradually declines, increasing your risk of fracture. Weight-bearing sports such as jumping rope can help to strengthen your bones. Jump training enhanced hip bone mineral density in premenopausal women, according to a small-scale study. In another study, female synchronized swimmers were subjected to jump rope training and whole body vibration. Synchronized swimmers may be more likely to develop osteoporosis later in life. The swimmers exhibited increased bone density in their lower back, hip, and femur bones after 22 weeks. However, depending on the severity of your illness, the guidelines for exercising with osteoporosis may differ. So consult with your doctor about the finest osteoporosis exercises. Number 5. Jumping rope is good for your heart. Jumping rope is beneficial to more than just your muscles and bones. It also strengthens your heart and lungs. By training many muscles, this workout immediately boosts your heart rate. Jumping rope may also be more effective than other forms of cardio. A 2017 study, for example, compared indoor cycling to dance-based jumping rope training in persons with large bodies. People who completed jump rope activities had lower BMIs and higher vital capacity. The amount of air you can exhale after taking a deep breath is your vital capacity. A high vital capacity improves your cardiorespiratory fitness. Improved cardiorespiratory fitness allows you to exercise for longer periods of time with less effort. Number 6. Rope skipping improves balance and coordination. Tai Chi and yoga are not the only workouts that can help you improve your balance and coordination. Jumping rope necessitates coordination of your feet, eyes, and hands. As you do repeating actions, you must maintain your balance, rhythm, and agility. As a result, it is an excellent approach to hone such talents. In a 2021 study, young male volleyball players supplemented their training with plyometric leaping activities. They exhibited improved lower leg stability after 8 weeks, which may reduce the risk of knee and ankle injuries. Another study discovered that jumping rope, when combined with soccer training, can enhance children's balance and motor coordination. Number 7. Jumping rope is enjoyable and adaptive. Jumping rope is also entertaining and adaptive. Jumping rope may improve your mood by making you feel like a child again. And there are numerous methods to incorporate and modify the activity depending on your fitness level. If you are just starting off, you can use the normal way. Intermediate and advanced athletes can amp up the intensity by utilizing a weighted jump rope, alternating between single leg jumps or attempting double unders. Double unders include swinging the rope under your feet twice per jump. Furthermore, you may perform the adaptable workout in practically any place. You can never be too old for it. Jumping rope can be healthy and safe for people of all ages, especially elderly persons. In conclusion, the beautiful thing about exercising is that it builds up over time. That is, by keeping active over time, you can gain health benefits. And no amount of exercise is too little, as any physical activity is preferable to none. Many people equate jumping rope with playground children. However, studies suggest that it is an excellent approach to increase your heart health, muscle strength, and coordination. You may get benefits by including a variety of activities in your training. Have our earlier questions been answered? Surely these advantages will entice you to join your children while they jump rope. It will not only keep you healthy, but will also keep you and your children happy. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Also, please share your best jump rope experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear more from you. Until our next video. See ya!